Scam companies are the main reason why business starters and internet users does have 1. No real traffic to your website. 2. Fake traffic to your website. 3. Click fraud on your ads. 4. High bounce rates on your website. We did make a scam company checker where all users can check if a company is a scam company or legit. Sorts of scam companies. 1. Scam companies. They say, buy with us and get real traffic. But the true thing is, you'll get all fake traffic. 99.9% of search results are scam companies. 2. Competitors. Scam companies. They send bot traffic to your website so that you have high bounce rates. This have a negative effect on your ranking value. 3. Scam companies. They do negative SEO. For example, they steal your content and place it on his own high-ranking website. Most of the time they will be faster indexed by the largest search engines. Your website will be invisible for other users. Google search engine and other search engines have the responsibility to prevent this. Step 1. Here you can type the website name or company name or any kind of keywords. Step 2. Click of one of these search buttons, and the search results will be done. And if you want to find the best click fraud prevention companies, click then one of these buttons. If you click on this button, you can find advanced reviews, and you can find more companies.